Meanwhile, Akwaba, what frame Adjoa searching Mesnel. Now was subscribing to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news.
Good evening, good evening. Mr. Rumpo. Ramzavo. Eyezu. Missy everywhere. Ghana bedo. Me got to say to question NDC for camp for Techiman. But the moment you record the combra, moment.
Your friend Amawunu for our fa. Your friend MP Kasa on fa. Adada Madada Yamaya Africa. Africa Techiman Bank Cryo. Namuno, Mudi Akuma Dada Yano. Yaya catch them. Yamamunde Kosi Yamiaduma, Juada. Say Antasa Papa Bia. Medoya Kupo. Ya giant this amount. Yabako radio station. Radio station by radio station. I catch you, be a NDC. I'm from Techiman follow. Mudia business, I take. Mudia business, I take.
Second one.
Yeah, I wish you from good afternoon. Techiman South, or my disappointed. Opinion for no more disappointed. 777 period. Na ye nim so mun nim nyansa sa na mun nim se wo dia ba no be ma no adenta mo mo ya waste your time sa de bia ummo bia no bi so agi so explain ye ma che no na na ya free Techiman ba be dru ha mo se ai mo dia ma no mo ni na ko terms mo ni MPP for ko terms ye ko tu aba ne no bi an ko terms so ye na ma na do aye bre ye no bi an ko terms adenta mun nim da mo an kan che me ya yi ni ya ba be dru Accra and then I'm about to catch and say, Muno Mako Thames into Mudia Mano. I read Yano Mukomu Canam Zebia or Mo, yeah, no more becoming probably but you are clear by this time, or Munya be probably country, and in time you do when you know. Or Mundi Yamae, Techiman South, next 4 years, or about Bitua, or 2 but Mpaba was what to me, advisors for 2 men DCB. Utumana, on budget 2020, the same thing here, or Muji. No mu kro mu ni power ene ye wo power enso massage e dey no person we try nti e besre o ma mu se ya jimi e bia mu kwa no mu de kojiska nti e besre
to abusiafo we dey almost we dey yetini kwakuo nu ma na ga ne say mi twini nye tu fa ne sa yo guys I don't know why is a mystery abusiafo man ka say we straight o one dey see you know one dey see your Ajemen Sane when by Rassamo. So almost somebody call my deal contract. She nim Scabian be bit margin. One day see a Bruno for a large new for 1 day so. Munja upon a life from Mano. Munja a large new for a life from Mano. We one way a brew by Ren new for no more 1 day so. Like deal Ben bit my some deal. Oh boy. Supreme Court. Hey, Mrs. She knew about my assassin you. She knew deal be no makoye ete abusafo mo an kasama hu ntokwa esi ntokwa abisa afwe ntokwa be NDC camp no me see afwe baba the way allow you know for mo yin as mo yin free as on we mu aso ne buru na honde so mo frɛ no on fa ebia oni do bet ma catch oni do be catch remo aso ne buru na honde so de esi o Ghana no Ajemen Sane hwan mo Baba Sadiq mo issue no bro bia honde so you can't do anything about it. It's already done. It's already been done. Like you can't change it. It's abusiafo mo fa bote mo de mo san fa baz mre Techiman you know be join here yes celebrate here.
NDC has a political committee in their party, and whatever their people in parliament do must be approved by the political party. Adia yadi ya adwuma ma Ghana ni na no. Send this for the quorum ho. Now one political way committee in the case, yeah, and you went to ma. Even if it will help Ghana, the people in the parliament have to go and say no. And that is what they did. Na sebi, and yes, what's a betting tax in yet, my boy? Into Oba, ube ye free ho. I said the own says how we free wa. Unya revenue at the bedding, would be rule your mind into no. Oh, shut up, but you want to say. Now, I'm saying, can you have trauma phone back on Pun was a jubilee house one on? Mama, so a banu and child time, Mr. Do you have trauma phone back because hey, and one only did you betting tax, and one year did and I will say, obey you betting tax now, then, every ho. Mikacho said, this man has been handed the cheapest worst election ever because he didn't sell no message. On August 24 hours, he couldn't. What the boss say, a few more somewhere here Kenya. Say ye poor bia, sabi, a busuya sembisi. And now say, a busuya who become near person ye kono hokojiska. Usually, it is the person who has been given custodian of the lands and the everything that the family has. That's what you say. And what is a BBC? As I said, the Ankayade Adiano Kessiana Shannon Sano and a Sanko Uyano. But you have NDC telling you that even though they have ruled Ghana than any other political party, they are the only political party that has been able to produce 3 presidents for us. No political party in Ghana has produced 3 presidents. They had Rawlings, they had J.E. Mills, and they had John Dramani Mahama. 3. And they have the power in their hands for all these while. But isn't it shameful, say your pagan glory days are, we shouldn't come to the NDC. It's when we are looking for Niama Papa, Ababua Ghana, at Transform Ghana, we should not call NDC. Because almost, and I mean almost, every social intervention has been championed by the MPP. Unim dia ya wo ho. NDC na ya party ya friend Social Democrats. But on the and Social Democrat Collins simply means to say yene ya dwene ehia for den ehho. It took America until Obama came, they didn't have a health system that benefited everybody. When Obama brought the Affordable Care Act, that is when they started having what we call Obamacare, like they like to say it. And as much as they have tried to trash the Obamacare, they cannot cancel it. When Excellency Trump was on the debate, and they asked him, "You've been bastardizing Obamacare since I had to buy it. What is your plan?" And he was honest. He said, "Right now, I don't have a plan, but we will put something together." That is what Trump said. He's not sure. But they kept bastardizing it. Young Famra Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah circle. Didn't we do all the politics we want to do with it? But today, don't we use it? Don't the MPP use it? Did Mahama take you to Bolibamboy? It's it's like Ghana's property. So why is it that when something goes wrong, NDC wants to stay out? Even projects they know nothing about, in Nkrumah projects, they want to claim it. Then when you tell them, present the particulars, they go and bring a fool like Kevin Taylor to sit there with his nose and his face buffoo. Since when did Ghana sing to this level? Say, Akoda Ketwebi to say, Basenteli, to make us a coalition. Now, or no order 5,000 men to meet us, and we have an IGP in Ghana. You guys are jokers in this country. Okay, Siena Felix one way, and Yamano na yo, Menokre Nechie. Because a Ghana, you maybe a Juna Ghana home, near Juna Ghana Kankwa, Sabi, Rollins a Croma, ya die, you know. When Tunyanko Jina baby say, I'm ordering 5,000 men, go to this coalition, go to this coalition center. Since when did we end there? And the stupid NDC has forgotten that a time will come, that table will turn. When the MPP was in power, some of them, you call them, they don't even pick up. Today, we are in opposition. And so would you be. But at the end of the day, Ube ruling, you know, what impact did you leave? Now, NDC people are telling us that, now, 5,000 men. Now, every time you see, say, EC, so baby, order them to go to where the EC is. And they forget and say, yes, maybe today it is benefiting the NDC. But tomorrow it would not. And I know these NDC people. Sometimes when I talk, and yes, come on, I have friends who are NDCs. The correct ones. But you see, this is their nature. Constitution currently, you want